The HyperX Quadcast is a full-featured standalone condenser mic. This quick start guide will help you get set up and started. The Quadcast has 4 selectable polar patterns: stereo, omnidirectional, cardioid, and bidirectional. Each of these patterns will change the direction from where the sound is picked up. If you're recording something with vocals or instruments that you want to output in 2-channel stereo, then select the stereo setting. While in this mode, the Quadcast will record audio as a stereo image, so you can easily record stereo audio without needing a second microphone. Omnidirectional is the pattern to select if you want to record all the sound in the entire room. This is useful in settings like a conference call or a multi-person podcast. Cardioid is the best setting for a single audio source directly in front of the microphone. This setting would be used for things like single-person streaming and voiceovers, like this one. If you're recording a face-to-face interview, the bidirectional pattern will be the setting you want to use, since it captures sound from the front and back. The Quadcast has a convenient tap-to-mute sensor. Simply tap the top of the mic to mute it. The LED indicator makes it easy to tell whether you're muted. If the LED indicator is lit, the mic is active. If it's off, the mic is muted. Knowing your mic status will help prevent stream fails and other broadcast accidents. If you're coming in too soft or too loud, you can adjust the mic sensitivity on the Quadcast by adjusting the gain. To adjust the gain on the Quadcast, use the dial located at the bottom of the microphone. You can connect a headset to monitor your microphone output. Just plug a headset into the back of the Quadcast and you can hear what is being captured. The Quadcast comes with a 3/8 and 5/8 inch adapter that fits most mic arms. Remove the screw connecting the mic to the stand. Attach the mount adapter, and the Quadcast and its built-in shock mount can now be attached to the boom arm. The Cloud Alpha S is an evolution of our dual-chamber driver design. It features custom-tuned HyperX Virtual 7.1 surround sound delivered through its advanced USB audio control mixer, game chat audio balance, and bass adjustment sliders. Learn how to get the most out of these features and more. Bass adjustment sliders have been added to the headset to allow you to adjust the level of bass. Move the sliders up for more bass, or move them down to reduce bass. On the USB audio control mixer, you can adjust headset volume, toggle 7.1 surround sound on or off, and adjust the mix between game and chat audio. Use the headset volume buttons to set your desired master volume. Then use the game chat balance buttons to set your ideal mix between game audio and chat audio. The headset will beep once when you reach 50/50 game chat balance. This means you're hearing the game audio and chat audio at the same level, the default state of the headset. It will beep twice when you have set the balance to either 100% game audio, meaning you won't hear the chat, or 100% chat audio, which means you won't hear the game. The mic can be muted and unmuted by pressing the mic mute button on the side of the mixer. You can also hold down the button for 3 seconds to toggle mic monitoring on or off.